Hello my beautiful friends. Hello, you are welcome to my kitchen today. Today I will be showing you how to make, guess what? How to make mayonnaise. Mayonnaise that you can use to eat fruits. You can use it to eat potato. You can use it to eat cold fish. Name it. Let's get started. First, I will be showing you the ingredients I needed in preparing my mayonnaise. I have 3 eggs. I have oil, groundnut oil. I have mustard. I have salt. I have garlic. I have bowl, this, and I have that. Hello. Now let's get started. First, let's break the egg. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm going to remove the blanc, the white, this, yeah, take this off. Need to take this off. Put the yolk. Do the same with this. Take off the blanc. Oh yes. Make sure you take all the way. Take the blanc away. That is 2. Take up the blonde. Voila. That is 3. Oh yes, this is done. We're going to stir it. Just turn it. Okay, we're going to add mustard and the mustard. You stir it. Make sure you mix the mustard. Mix it very well. Very, very well. Oh yeah, it's mixed, and wait for 5 minutes. We leave the yolk for 5 minutes. Let's continue, guys. It's already 5 minutes, and you have to stir it again. When doing this mayonnaise, you don't have to be nervous. You don't have to be nervous, you don't have to be anxious, you just have to concentrate, focus. That's what you need. Otherwise, the egg will break and will not turn to mayonnaise. So, you're going to add an oil, little by little. As you are adding the oil, you'll be stirring it little by little. Don't be anxious, don't be nervous, just doing it slowly, little by little, slowly. You don't have to be anxious, don't be nervous. Keep adding little oil and continue stirring it. Little, doing it little. don't have to be nervous. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. You don't have to stop. Don't stop. Keep stirring it. Just allow your hand to be moving it. Don't drop your hand. Just keep stirring till turn to mayonnaise. Keep stirring it till turn to mayonnaise. It begin. You don't have to stop. You have to continue. Continue. It gets stronger. You can see it is getting stronger. Allow the mayonnaise, I like the yolk, which is the yellow. Allow it to sink inside the oil before adding another oil into it. Keep stirring until it turns strong. You still have to continue. Add more oil. It's getting stronger. Get it stronger. You still have to continue. Still continue stirring it. Keep stirring it. You can see it's turning to mayonnaise, but you still have to continue. Add oil. It's getting stronger. You can see the bone is turning the bone. You can see it. So I have to hold it. So you can mix very well. Add another oil to it. So you have turned to mayonnaise. This is home mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise you can use to eat your frites, your potato frites, your potato. You can see it. Yeah. It has turned to mayonnaise now. It's getting stronger. Yeah. Now I have to add little salt, and I will add my garlic. If you like, you can add garlic, or if you like, you don't have garlic, it doesn't matter, but it will still turn to mayonnaise. Turn to mayonnaise, doesn't matter. Just to let you, a little of garlic. Mix it. Maybe mix it very well to add the paste. Do you see that? Did you see that, guys? Now it has turned to mayonnaise. And now I will place mine on and turn it inside my bowl. It's ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. This is my mayonnaise. This is home mayonnaise that you can use to eat rice as if how it pleases. This is home mayonnaise. Did you see, guys? It's very easy. You don't have to be nervous. You have to keep calm, concentrate and focus on what you are doing, and it will arrive. Did you see that? This is home mayonnaise. And after you put it in your fridge, not in the freezer, in the fridge, so it will get cold. It's good when it's hot, but it needs to be in the fridge. Well, thank you, guys. Thank you for looking my video. Please don't stop watching my video. Keep subscribing and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye. Thank you.